Is IRFC going to turn as same as RVNL? Do write in the comments what's your view on that. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come up with a new topic on the IRFC Q1 results. So first thing I would like to tell you, if you are holding IRFC, do hold it for a long term. When I say long term, like it's a real long time, okay? So because it does have a potential to grow, but it's a slow stock, okay? I mean, it will take some time to grow. So why I'm telling you to hold this stock for a long time, because if I tell you the last quarter and the previous year performance, you will be shocked by the numbers, like how well the company is doing in terms of the number. So I will quickly tell you the revenue from the operation. So as per the Q1 result, it is 45,800, whereas if you compare it with the previous quarter, it was 44,550, whereas if you compare it with the last year, it was just 36,000. So see, last year it was 36,000, now it is 45,800. Don't you see it's a huge difference? Okay, so this was the revenue. When we talk about revenue from the operation, it consists of the many things, okay, almost every aspect of the company. So now let us talk about the net profit of the company and expenses as well. So first we'll cover the expenses, okay. So this quarter expenses have been 30,800, okay. When I'm talking this, the numbers are in the crores, okay guys, please. And the previous quarter it was 29,700, whereas last year it was just 27,700. See, if the company is growing, obviously the somewhere the expenses will rise for sure, okay. So next up we'll check upon the net profit. So current quarter net profit is 15,019, whereas previous quarter it was 14,825, and last year it was just 8,918. So see, last year it was 8,918, and now it has come to 15,019. Don't you see it's a huge difference? In 1 year the company has such a great net profit, right? So definitely you should hold this stock for a long term if you have it. And also one thing, in the large cap stock at just 23 rupees, it's hard to find, that too with a great fundamentals. So definitely, as per the result, you should hold it. You should hold it for a long time. Definitely, the stock is like a turtle, okay. It is going to give you the result in a while, not so soon. So good luck with that. Thank you. And do write in the comment whether you are holding IRFC, whether you got it allotted through the IPO, or you buyed it after the listing on the exchange. Do write in the comment box, and do subscribe to our channel for such updates. Thank you.